Go ahead.
Okay. I got it. Got it.
Don't touch the metal parts.
Okay. This?
If it buzzes, you lose.
No.
Be careful, don't let his nose light up.
It's too hard. I think I can't do it.
This is your favorite game.
Bo, could you help me?
No, you do it.